5 reasons why I recommend starting an online business selling information products. In this video, I will tell you about 5 reasons why I recommend starting an online business selling information products. Watch this video until the end because these 5 reasons may make you look differently at an online business selling info products. Maybe this is what you need right now. Hi, my name is Dmitry. I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words. And it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. Reason number 1. Information products do not have an expiration date. Most physical products have an expiration date. They can deteriorate or break over time and you will not be able to sell them anymore and make a profit from them. Information products do not deteriorate. Of course, some of the information they contain may become outdated over time, but you can easily edit your info product and add fresh information to it. You can even create an evergreen information product that will be relevant for many years and sell it all the time. Reason number 2. You create it one time and get the return many times. What I like most about information products is that once done work can bring you profit many times over. For example, you recorded a video course. You spend your time, effort and energy on it and perhaps money to decorate it beautifully. But then you can sell it to a huge number of people and make a profit on it again and again for a long time. And you no longer need to spend your time, effort, energy and money on its creation. By the way, the content I am giving you now is taken from my mini ebook Rocket Start in Online Business Selling Info Products. In the description of this video there will be a link to a site where you can get this ebook absolutely free. Reason number 3. You can earn up to 100% net profit from each sale. Each physical product has its own cost price. This is the money that is needed to create this product. Plus, you need to pay money to deliver this product from the producer to consumer. Therefore, from each sale, you will give a part of your profit to the creation and delivery of a physical product. With information products, the situation is much better. You create an information product one time, spend time, effort, energy and money on this, and then you can sell it many times and get up to 100% profit from each sale. I do not take into account the commission of the payment acceptance service now. After all, you do not need to pay money for its creation and delivery. Reason number 4. You don't need storage space. You don't have to worry about where to store your information products. All of them can be stored on your computer and always be at your fingertips. And in order to quickly provide access to them on the internet to your customers, you can place them on your website or on a virtual disk such as Google Disk. For physical products, you need a place where you will store them, warehouse, office, store. Otherwise, you will not be able to quickly deliver physical products to your customers. Reason number 5. Easy to deliver to the buyer. What does the customer want the most? Get their purchase as soon as possible. The feature of information product is that you can deliver them to the buyer very quickly, almost immediately. You just give the buyer the right link, he follows it and can immediately study the purchased information product or download it. To get your physical product to the customer very quickly, you need your own store, where a person can come, see the product, leave, buy it and immediately receive it. But in this case, you will need to spend a lot of money to maintain this store. By the way, do you have your own online business? If so, what do you sell online? Write your answer in the comments to this video. That's all I have for you today. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my new videos. I wish you a good day and good mood. Bye bye.